Here is how to sign up on Hinge. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on Hinge. So let's start. First of all, go to the store of your device and make sure you have downloaded the app. After that, open it. As you open the app, you'll come to a screen like this. Now you'll find options to create an account or sign in. Since we are trying to sign up, tap on create account. After that, you'll have to enter your phone number in order to create your account. So enter your phone number and then continue. After that, it will send you a text with the verification code. So enter that verification code and then continue. After you enter your verification code, it will start loading up your screen. Then the next step is to enter your personal details. So continue the process by tapping on enter basic info. Now enter your first name and last name. Then after, tap on the arrow. After that, you'll have to enter your email address. So enter a valid email address, tap on this option and then continue. After that, it will ask you if you want to use the easier option to sign in, which will be through your Google account or through your Facebook account. So if you want to use any of these options, select one. Otherwise, you can tap on no thanks and then continue creating your account. Since it's easier to log in with Google or Facebook, I'll tap on continue with Google. As you finish linking your Google account, tap on the done option. Then it will send you a verification code in your email address. So go to the email address and get the code. After that, enter it and continue. After you verify your email address, you'll have to enter your date of birth. So enter the details and then continue. Then after, you'll have to enter further more details and then continue. So enter all the details that it asks and then finish creating your account. Keep on entering all the details. You might have to enter quite a number of information. So have some patience and finish it. Then after, you'll have to upload your photos. So select the photos that you want to use and then continue. As you finish entering the details, your account will be successfully created. Now you can use the app as you like. So in this way, you can easily sign up on Hinge. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.